Have you ever felt invisible or unimportant? You're not alone. Many people struggle with the feeling of mattering. Today, we explore this powerful psychological need and its impact on our lives. Mattering is the sense of being significant to others. It reflects how much we feel others depend on us, care about us, and notice us. This idea is new but crucial for understanding ourselves. Let's break down what mattering really involves. It has three key components. First, awareness, knowing that others recognize and pay attention to us. Second, importance, believing that others care about our well-being. Lastly, reliance, feeling that others would miss us if we were gone. Mattering is not the same as self-esteem or belonging. You can belong to a group but still not feel like you matter to the people in it. This makes understanding mattering vital for our mental health. So, why does mattering matter? Research shows it leads to several positive outcomes. People who feel they matter are generally happier and less anxious. They cope better with stress and trauma. In fact, feeling like we matter can be more important than simply belonging somewhere. Moreover, those who feel significant are more likely to help others. They volunteer and engage with their communities. Mattering enhances a sense of social responsibility, making us more active citizens. Understanding the role of mattering in education and work is equally important. Students who feel valued by teachers achieve more. Similarly, employees who sense they matter report greater job commitment and lower burnout rates. In social work, mattering has a crucial role. Many clients experience deep feelings of invisibility and unimportance. Social workers can directly address these feelings. How? By fostering genuine relationships. When a social worker remembers a client's name and listens attentively, it shows that the client matters. In group settings, ensure everyone is noticed and valued. Rotate leadership roles and celebrate even small contributions. This structure enhances collective mattering within the group. Communities also play a role. When marginalized individuals are positioned as givers, it helps them feel valued. For example, engaging elderly residents in mentoring roles or involving unemployed adults in community projects restores their sense of importance. Furthermore, organizations that treat their staff with respect reduce burnout. When employees feel cared for, it fosters a positive workplace culture. The study of mattering is still growing. Scholars are exploring how it affects different cultures, how to measure it accurately, and whether online interactions can provide genuine mattering experiences. These inquiries are not just academic, they have practical implications for social workers everywhere. Understanding mattering can lead to more effective practices and enhance the lives of those we serve. In summary, mattering is a crucial human need. It impacts our mental health, resilience, and social interactions. Recognizing and fostering this sense of significance is essential for personal and community well-being. If you found this concept enlightening, consider sharing it with others. Let's start conversations about mattering. Together, we can make everyone feel significant and important. Thank you for watching.